Hello Biplab, I am Preeti Mehta, team member of FindMyTest.com. We are glad that you joined us today. I would like to congratulate you for securing All India Rank 4 in Mining Engineering Examination. So would you please mind introducing yourself to our viewers?
First of all, thanks a lot for congratulating me. My name is Biplab Ghosh. I am a final year student from IIT ISM Dhanbad. Uh, I appeared for GATE 2021 paper code mining MN, and I have secured an All India rank of fourth. My GATE score is 917, and my marks out of 100 is 71.67. Yeah, that's
Okay,
all about
Biplab.
me.
So could you please, share your opinion on mining engineering?
Yeah, first of all, it's not that kind of branch where you go and sit in AC rooms and do work. Here you have to go to the field. Actually, if you be there in the core sector, so you have to go to the field. You have to work there. But it's interesting because it's related to art sciences, and ISM is known for their art science branches only. So after joining, I got to learn a lot of things. And currently, mining doesn't mean only like that working in mines, that kind of thing. Now every new concept are applied here also. So it's good branch. Like if
Okay,
anybody wants to take up, they can take.
okay. So how many times have you attempted GATE examination?
This is my first attempt. I'm in final year.
Okay, that's good. So when did you decide that you want to give GATE as a serious career option, and when did you start preparing for the examination?
Okay, like frankly speaking, last year when I was doing my intern during July, that time I was not sure like whether I'll get a PPO or not. So that time I got nervous because that time pandemic was going on. So I started preparing for GATE, and after the results are out, like I got PPO. Then I took a break, and like around 2 to 3 weeks before, 3 to 4 weeks, 1 month before the exam, I again focused, like really focused on the exam and help me achieving this end.
Okay, so Biplab, there are other career options. People prefer choosing CAT and going for UPSC examination and all other career options that will help you to be a manager in future or government jobs. So why did you take up GATE instead of all those?
First of all, for UPSC, like as you have mentioned, UPSC, I don't have any such goals for UPSC and CAT. Currently not, but maybe I will be pursuing after 2 to 3 years after having some job experience. That's why. And GATE, because if we through GATE we can go into PSUs, and as you know, in PSU the workload are less, so I can prepare for other things also.
Okay. So, according to you, what was the difficulty level of GATE 2021 mining engineering examination?
Like I have solved previous year all the question paper, like around 5 to 6 previous year question paper. So according to me, the question was bit difficult than previous year, as well as it was lengthy. Myself, my personal experience is that I haven't solved all the 65 questions. So I have to left out last 5 or 6 questions that I haven't seen. So it was a lengthy paper basically
Okay. So,
than
did you
previous years.
okay? So, did you take up any coaching for preparation of the examination? And if you did, how did it help you for securing, all
No,
India
I
rank
didn't
four?
take any.
You
Like
didn't?
it's my college, in my college only. Like it was
Oh,
sufficient.
okay. So basically, self-study.
Yeah, self-study.
Okay, so you for self-study, you might have taken some study material or books for the preparation of the examination. So would you like to please suggest few books that will help to crack the examination?
Okay. For mining engineering student, like the aspirants, they should solve the Ikegodai because it's book of MCQs only. So there you get to know the type of question, and also it contains the previous year questions also with solution. So that's a very good book, Ikegodai, that if anyone is taking it seriously for mining, they should completely solve that book. Like it will take 2 to 3 months only. And apart from that study material, I used my college notes only that my professor provided. Yeah, that only I
Okay. So, Biplab, there are few topics that are considered to be important in every examination. So, according to you, in mining engineering examination, so which topics are considered to be important?
First of all, like the gate pattern is like that out of 100 marks, 15 marks are from general aptitude. Like that are very easy questions for a final year engineering graduate that are not very tough to solve. So I would suggest everyone to practice those general aptitude question and to get maximum marks from that 15 so that your rank get enhanced. And for mining especially specific like some topics such as ventilation and mine system engineering, like you will be getting 2 or 3 numericals every year if we check the previous year paper. So that chapters if you solve, you will be getting good rank. As well as
Okay.
one more thing is that there are some questions like 3 to 4 questions from engineering mathematics which is common for all the branches that we used to learn in our second year. So that section is also important because that are the sections where you can easily score.
Okay. So, what was your preparation as well as a revision strategy for GATE examination?
For preparation, I solved the MCQs from AK Godai and previous year question paper I have solved. Like I have solved the previous year question paper, keeping in mind the time. Like I used to start my stopwatch for 3 hours and I used to solve and check how much progress I'm getting after solving one-to-one paper. And like 1 week before the exam, I used to uh, learn the formula like that you can directly apply without wasting your time because there is a time constraint in GATE. So revision strategy is that learn the formula that will help you to save time during the main exam. That's the main strategy.
Okay. So, as you said, there were few questions that you left and you didn't even saw which questions were there. So, do you think you should have made a time management strategy, which I guess you haven't? So, what was your
Yeah,
time
like
management strategy which isn't, worked right there?
my concept was that the question difficulty level will be same as previous year. So I have solved previous year paper and I could have easily solved all the 65 question within 3 hours like previous year paper. But when I reached my hall, first 15 question I solved in like general aptitude questions I solved within 10 to 15 minutes only and all were correct. And then when I jumped into my subject, the question were taking time and few questions were there where I haven't solved the correct answer. I didn't got the correct answer. Still, I have given my around 10 to 20 minutes. So there, my mistake. I should have moved on after 5 to 6 minutes. That's my fault. That I
Okay.
would suggest my juniors not to do in the next year.
Okay. So, how did this current COVID-19 pandemic affected your studies and routine?
First of all, like final year student always wanted to be in campus because that's the peak time
Yeah.
where you get to enjoy with your friend. You have no other load of studies, that kind of thing all are placed. So yeah, emotionally it was not good.
Mm.
But for the student who are preparing for competitive exams such as UPSC, they got a very good chance to study in home. Like they don't have to go to classes regularly. They could just keep their video on or mic on and attend classes and as well as read for other exams also. Same goes for me. Like in the last 1 month when I was practicing for GATE, just I used to keep my classes on and I was solving the papers.
Okay. So as you said, there was this difficulty level, difference in previous year examination and this examination. So do you find there was a difference in pattern in previous year examination and this year examination?
Pattern, it was same like 10 question from general aptitude and rest 55 question from subject. But the questions were different. Like it was more conceptually oriented. Like you have to imply your class 11, 10th and 11th standard physics also to solve the questions. Like the questions were integrated. Like two
Mm.
or three concepts were integrated to make one. They framed one question. Like the question was good. So
Okay.
might
So
be this year like the question setter Like those who said the question were different person. So
Okay,
they
so
also
I
maybe
even
getting more time due
heard,
to COVID.
yeah, so I even heard about this multiple select question. So doesn't that
Yeah,
affect?
I think in our paper, like there were no multiple select question as
Okay,
I remembered, as I've seen. But yeah, they are not saying that this is multi-select question. You have to just see the marking scheme that is appearing very small on your top left corner. So if there is no negative marking, then that means that it is a multi-select question. So you have to give your eyes on the marking scheme while solving the question.
okay. So would you like to throw some lights on GATE 2022 mining engineering aspirants?
So for the K 2022 mining aspirant, I would request them to go through the basics properly, get the concept cleared. Because like this year paper was example, like if you are conceptually weak, you could not solve. But if you are conceptually strong enough, you could have scored good marks. So, and also I would request them to solve the general aptitude problem more and more so that they could at least get 12 to 13 marks out of 15, so that give a boost to the rank at the end.
Uh,
So these are some of the tips. And also before the exam, 1 week before the exam, learn the formulas. That is very helpful.
So congratulations once again for securing All India Rank 4 in GATE 2020 in mining engineering examination, and thank you for giving us your
Thank you
valuable
for
time
congratulating me.
and find my test